This is a fantastic 3-bedroom terrace property in the heart of Taunton. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Property has a fantastic open plan living room, dining. Let's go see the kitchen. The property has 3 bedrooms, 2 doubles and a single. Here's one of the doubles. And the single is currently being used as an office. Let's go see the master. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without the garden. If you're interested in this property or indeed a valuation of your own home, please do get in touch.